I found this speech so difficult to write, I rewrote it so many times. How does one compress 23 years of a child's life into a speech? So, I just want you to know, this won't take long.
Bride, Mikaela, you are not only stunning but also smart, kind and gentle. I love how you care for Jaydon. I love your smiles, laughter, positive approach to things, but also your creativity.
This is such a beautiful day. It was amazing to see my little girl grown up and so beautiful, and amazing just to think of her when she was young, how much she used to cry and scream and keep everybody awake, and she didn't sleep for about the first year. She was a very interesting baby to have, along with all her ear infections and all those other things, and but now she's grown up to such a beautiful, beautiful girl, and we thank the Lord so much for her.
I would soon realise that Jaydon was that man. A man who would ask me what her favourite flowers were and whether she would like him to make her a jewellery box. A man who would wake up at 4 a.m., who would support every endeavour, even if that meant a 4 a.m. wake up for a market stall. The only person who can season food to the point where even Mikaela doesn't need to add salt. A man who would turn to me at a friend's wedding and tell me he just couldn't believe how beautiful she looked. A man who exceeds all criteria I could have had for the man my incredible Mikaela would marry. It has been a privilege and an honour to be part of your journey, and Jaydon, I hope you love growing old with Mikaela just as much as I've loved growing up with her.
Jaydon, when God brought us together, I saw in you the same values that I hold dear to my heart: faith, family, and a heart for adventure. In laughter, in hard times, and in joy, I choose you always.
Mikaela, I promise to love you with faith that endures, to pray with you in every season, and to head our family with Christ at the centre, on a mountain, at the beach, or simply at home. I choose you always.
Jaydon, you have shown yourself to be loyal, faithful, loving, and always true to Mikaela. When Mikaela had her wisdom teeth out, she's very difficult to look after, Mikaela. You were always there by her side. I saw a young man who was committed to Mikaela's needs. Mikaela and Jaydon, you both have shown love and care for each other, as your vows state, in sickness and in health. Your dedication to each other and your dedication to God is what keeps your bond strong. I love you both very much. Congratulations for making this day happen and for becoming husband and wife.
I think both of you share this strong sense of adventure, whether it's venturing up perilous mountains or going in the bush or going on forward driving or just outright going on the terrifying undulations of a car park. Any kind of adventure, you guys are always ready to attack anything that comes your way. I think as a body, as one, as two become one, you guys will be much stronger.
Jaydon, I am proud of you, brother. And Mikaela, we're even more proud of you and we'll be praying for you.
Witnessing your marriage today is a testament of God's perfect timing and His grace. And I just pray you continue to love each other, challenge each other, the way that you've also been challenging me and Dane, while you continue to build your lives around Jesus. Do that, happy couple!
Little salt and a little bit sweet. Let them know we're bringing down the house. What's this? Can't go about my business. 'Cause something I keep missing. I know I'm forgetting. Slow down and wander on this way.
Jaydon, this is the best decision you've ever made and easily your greatest achievement. And Mikaela, you're amazing. You're smart, you're funny, you're creative, you're kind, and somehow have the patience of a saint. But you're also possibly the clumsiest person I know. I think half of Jaydon's vows today should have been about learning first aid.